Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Lite User Group feature, which was introduced in version 12.2. This feature is designed for Hexagon EAM desktop users who don't require full access to the system. You might have a team responsible for reviewing and approving purchase orders. So rather than providing them with a full Hexagon EAM license, you can assign them a Lite license, granting them access only to, say, the purchase order and approval workflow screens. Let's review the setup. First, there is a new install parameter for the product key, CDKEYLIT. If you have a valid CD key, you can use the Lite feature. Next, when creating a Lite user group, you'll want to ensure that you select the Lite user checkbox on the user group record view screen. But what exactly is included with Lite user groups? To help to clarify, I have labeled my menus accordingly. So let's start with the standard screens. All Lite user groups can have access to the Start Center, Overview 360 screens, and the Approval Workflow screen. Lite user groups can also have access to all reports. So depending on the user group roles, you can provide the user group with access to the relevant reports. In addition to the standard screens and reports, Lite user groups can be granted access to up to 3 additional screens. These screens can be base EAM screens, custom screens, or even grid. If we go back to the earlier example of a Lite user group for the purchase order approval team, that user group would need access to the purchase order and approval workflow screens. However, since the 3 screens are shared among all Lite user groups, you might encounter a situation where your Lite user group for maintenance users already has access to 3 screens. This means that if I try to add the purchase order screen to my purchasing user group, I would have reached my 3-screen limit. So let's try. I'm going to go to my Lite user group for purchasing and attempt to add the purchase order screen. I received an error that I'm unable to add the screen. All Lite user groups must share the same 3 selected screens or a combination thereof. In this example, access to the workflow approval screen may suffice, but if the user tried to view the source record, they would encounter an error due to insufficient rights because they don't have access to the purchase order screen. But let's say it turns out that our maintenance team doesn't need access to the parts screen. So if I delete the parts screen from my maintenance user group, that is going to free up 1 screen so that I can now add the purchase order screen to my purchasing user group. Before you begin creating Lite user groups, I recommend mapping out your users' roles to ensure everything lines up. Here's another example. I've added the Overview 360 screens to my maintenance user group, but I know that the template has a widget for deferred maintenance. If the user group doesn't have access to the deferred maintenance screen, they will see a message saying they don't have sufficient security rights. This could be confusing for end users, so it's a good idea to validate your setup and permissions to enhance the user experience. But keep in mind there is room for creativity, such as an equipment search grid. This is a custom grid that lists key data points for all equipment, regardless if the equipment is an asset, position, system, or location. And this grid only uses one of the three screens allotted. To wrap up, I want to highlight the Lite User checkbox on the user screen. In order to assign a user to a Lite User group, this checkbox must be selected. If you have any questions about Lite User groups, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.